Welcome to Mount Allison University. I'm Jean-Paul Boudreau. I'm the President and Vice-Chancellor of Mount Allison. It's so great that you could join us for the open house this year. This is a great opportunity for you to connect with faculty, to learn about your programs of choice, and to see the kind of idyllic environment you'll get to live in and study in when you come to Mount A.
Hi, my name is Anne Comfort. I'm the Vice President of International and Student Affairs here at Mount Allison. We are so excited to have you join us for Open House. It's a great opportunity for you to get to see the campus and find out about all the great clubs and societies that our students are involved in.
Hi, my name is Kutay Ulkuer. I'm the Director of Recruitment, Admissions and Awards at Mount Allison University. At Mount Allison, we understand how daunting the choice can be when it comes to choosing what post-secondary education institution you should attend in the future. Please know that our admissions team and I are here to help guide you through this important decision every step of the way.
One of my favorite parts of campus is for you to come and see what it looks like in the fall. It's amazing with all the leaves turning and to see all the student activity and the buzz that's around. We're really looking forward to having you come and visit.
Our annual open house is a great way to sample what it feels to be part of the Mount Allison community and help you take that next important step towards your future. We are looking forward to having you on campus.
I'm so excited about this university community. The vibrancy, the energy of this town is something like no other. Please come to Mount Allison, enjoy open house. I can't wait to see you in person. We'll talk soon.